Rotting blue whale about to explode raises fear in Canada town. A dead blue whale washed up more than a week ago on the western shores of Newfoundland, Canada. The dead cetacean has since doubled in size, and town residents fear it's going to burst. Whales can explode due to the buildup of methane, hydrogen sulfide, and other gases within the rotting carcass, especially if it's been sitting in the sun for several weeks. Measures aimed at preventing an explosion, such as making cuts in the animal to help gas escape, are common. But the task of disposing of a whale carcass can get a little dangerous at times. Oh, poor guy. The gas built up inside the whale's belly until it exploded like an overinflated balloon. Is it really going to explode? There she blows! Emily Butler, the town clerk in Trout River, Newfoundland, has sought help from the province's Environment and Government Services departments and the Federal Fisheries Department to remove the carcass. She said the town council considered having fishermen tow the whale carcass out to sea,